Hello. Things are a little messy here in the power shed. I just had a lightning strike a couple days ago, and it knocked out a whole bunch of things. It killed my water heater number 1 and the control panel, some meters, my CPAP converter, a whole bunch of things, and including this fan. And I thought, well, it'd be a good time to talk about the fan. I built this for my wife towards evening. It's, pretty hot, but it rapidly cools down in a couple hours. And so this is a little, it's 3 little computer fans, and it's attached to a NANO with a FET and a transistor. This is a circuit. Basically, you have a push button here, and the push button turns on this PNP transistor, which powers the micro, and then the micro is sending out a PWM signal to the FET. So it turns on the fan, and once the push button is released, this is going to ground anyway, so it pulls the transistor down and keeps it powered until it reaches the end time and it shuts off. It's kind of a neat little thing. And it doesn't just turn off at the end. When it gets close to the end, it starts ramping down the speed, and it slows down until it finally reaches about the end and then turns off. So it doesn't rapidly turn off and wake you up. But these are easy to build. I just did some wood boxes. Here's one with 4. This doesn't have anything special to it. But this has a little, here's my little push button here. And as you'll see, the fan turns on and keeps on running. And you don't have to get real fancy. This is the little mess here. I got the little NANO right here. It blinks every once in a while. This is the transistor, and the FET's right here. Yeah, I'll clean it up someday, but it works, and she wants her fan. But it's a neat little project. I'll either have a link to another website with the code for the NANO. There hadn't been a lot of interest in my project, so if someone's really interested, let me know, and I'll put it up there sooner. But thanks for watching, and fun little project.